Good morning from the wounded Gaza Strip. Recently, we have been hearing the Israeli media reporting Israeli officials claiming that Hamas has been reinforcing its power in Gaza and rearranging its government. While on the ground, we don't see this at all. I feel that the Israeli occupation leaders are preparing grounds and justifications to resume their genocide in Gaza. Gaza is wounded. Gaza has been bleeding. Gaza has no homes, no hospitals, no tents for its displaced persons. Gaza is unable to peer more Israeli attacks. World leaders, please take action before it's too late. Take action to stop this Israeli lust for the Palestinian blood. Please take action as soon as possible in order not to make us suffer more than we have been suffering. The Palestinian resistance respected all the terms of the ceasefire, while the Israeli occupation didn't respect any of the terms of the ceasefire. And now it is blaming the Palestinians for not respecting the ceasefire and violating the ceasefire terms. And claiming just in order to pave the way for resuming the genocide in Gaza.